Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal University School, morning shift. My dear students, today I am going to take a mathematics class for the student of class 2. Our today's topic is EMB, that means Elementary Mathematics book, page number 33. Word problem 3, 4, 5. That means 3 word problem we will solve today, okay? From the page number 33 of your book. Your lecture number is 22 and you have a homework today. Your homework number is 19. Okay, dear students. Now let's start our class. The first question here, we will solve 3 questions today from your book. The first question is question number 3. The question number 3 is, there are 45 mango trees in a garden, okay, and 29 of them are fruited. How many trees are still unfruited? That means we need to calculate how many trees are unfruited also. That means from total trees, 29 trees are fruited. So we will subtract this 29 trees from the total trees and we will get the unfruited trees. Now I am writing the solution of here. It's number 3 question, okay? Its page number is 33. You can write down the exercise. It's write down, you can write down EMB, its page number is 33, okay? 33, you can write down. The what problem number is 3. I am writing the solution is total number of mango trees. Total number of mango trees. Total number of mango trees is how much? Is 45, okay? 45. Now dear students, is fruited number of mango trees is what? Is fruited number of fruited mango trees, okay? Number of fruited mango trees. Number of fruited mango trees is how many? Is 29. So we will subtract 29 from 49 and we will get the answer. So we will give the subtraction sign before. Now my dear students, it's 29 need to subtract from 45. Now in the addition and subtraction and multiplication, we will start from the right side, that means from the ones position. So we need to subtract 9 from 5. We need to subtract 9 from 5, but it's not possible because this 9 is greater than 5. So we can't subtract 9 from 5. That is why we will get a magic 1 here before 5. We will get a magic 1, okay? I call this 1 a magic 1, and this 5 now become 15. So we can subtract now 9 from 15. We need to subtract now 9 from 15. That means we will count up to 15 from 9, okay? Now count it 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and we will stop here because we have got 15. So count it from 1 to here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 will be here in the ones place. I repeat again, from 5 we will need to subtract 9, but 9 is greater than 5, that's why we can't subtract. So we will get a magic 1 before 5 and 5 become 15 now. So we can subtract 9 from 15 now, okay? And we will count up to 15 from 9 and we will get 6, okay? Now this magic 1 will add with this 2. This magic 1 will vanish here and this magic 1 will add with this 2 and 2 become 3 now. So we need to subtract 3 from 4. If we subtract 3 from 4, we will get 1. If we subtract 3 from 4, we will get 1. So 1 will be in the tens place. That means, therefore, the number of unfruited mango trees, okay? Number of unfruited mango trees is how many? Is 16. So this is a word problem. We need to write down some word here by arranging the language. Therefore the number of unfruited mango trees The number of unfruited mango trees are how many? Are 16. Okay, so you should write down the answer here also. The answer is 16 unfruited mango trees. 16 unfruited mango trees, or you can write down 16 mango trees. Unfruited, 16 unfruited mango trees. Mango trees. Okay, I hope you have understood, my dear students. This is the solution of question number 3. Now we will solve question number 4. Before that, we need to read out the question. The question 4 is, Shaila had 8 10 taka notes. She gave, that means Shaila gave Moina. Shaila gave to Moina 3 10 taka notes. How much taka does Shaila have? After given to Moina, how much taka Shaila have? We have to find out. So to find out this one, I am erasing this question number 3 and we will solve now question number 4 here. Okay, question number 4 solution is, Shaila had how many taka? Shaila had 8 10 taka notes. Okay, so write down Shaila had 8 10 taka note. 8 10 taka notes. Okay, and she gave to Moina. That means she gave how many? 3 10 taka note. Okay, 3 10 taka notes. So if anyone gave to other one, then the taka will be reduced. So we will subtract this one. That's why we will use the subtraction sign before. Okay, now we should subtract 3 from 8. To subtract 3 from 8, we need to count up to 8 from 3. Okay, now 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then stop. How much is this? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 will be here. When we subtract 3 from 8, we will get 5. So we should write down Shaila has 5 10 taka notes. Okay, 10 taka notes. My dear students, because of this is a word problem, we should write down some words by arranging the language. Okay, therefore we should write down therefore Shaila has 5 10 taka notes now. That means now Shaila has 5 10 taka notes. Answer will be 5 10 taka notes. Okay, answer will be 5 10 taka notes. Okay, 5 10 taka notes will be our answer. Now my dear students, we will solve question number 5. I hope you have understood the question number 4 solution. Now question number 5 is, it's Rumi has 75 marbles and Raju has 47 marbles. How many more or less marble does Raju have than Rumi? We need to find out how many marbles has Raju, less or more. Look, Raju has how many? 47 marbles and Rumi has 75. That means Raju has less marbles, right? Raju has less marbles because 47 is less than 75. So Raju has less marble than Rumi. And we will find out the difference between 75 and 47. To find out the difference, we need to subtract 47 from 75. Okay, now the solution I am writing down on the board. To solve this one on the board, I need to erase this question number 4. Okay, now solution of 5. My dear students, solution of 5 here. Rumi has 75 marbles. Rumi has 75 marbles. Okay, Rumi has 75 marbles and Raju has how many? Raju has 47 marbles. Raju has 47 marbles. Now we need to find out the difference because Raju has less marble and we need to find out the number of marbles less Raju has. So we need to find out difference, and difference means we need to subtract this one. Okay, so we'll give the subtraction sign and we'll subtract now. First of all, in subtraction we need to subtract from the right side. Okay, that means we need to subtract 7 from 5. but it's not possible because 7 is greater than 5. So we will assume a magic one here, okay, because we are the magician. When we subtract anyone, then we get magician. Now we have to subtract 7 from 15. Yes, it's possible. Now count up to 15 from 7. From 7 we have to count up to 15. 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 count, that means stop. How much is this? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is 8. That means 8 will be in the ones position. And this magic one will add. This magic one will add with this 4. And 4 become 5 now, okay? That means we need to subtract 5 from 7. That means count up to 7 from 5. 5, then 6, 7. Stop it. Now 1, 2. This is how much? This is 2. So 2 will be in the tens place. That means Raju has less marble is 28. This is our difference. So write down therefore difference. Difference is 28 marble. Okay. Marbles. So this is a word problem. We should write down the words from the question. The question says that how many more or less marbles does Raju have than Rumi? So we should write down therefore Raju has 28 less marbles, because the difference is 28. That is why Raju has 28 less marbles than Rumi, because Rumi has more. Okay, so Raju has 28 less marble than Rumi. Our answer will be two answer will be here. Okay, how many and who has? So Raju has 28 less marble. We should write down 28 less marbles. It's 28 less marbles. Okay, if you write down only 28 marbles, then the answer will be wrong, because 28 less marble you need to indicate. The question says that more or less, so we should mention less here. Okay, I think you have understood, dear students, the solution of 5, 4 and 3 also. And you have the homework. Your homework number is 19. Please mention the homework number in your HW copy in the left up corner. And your HW is this 3 problem, that means EMB page 33. These 3 problem 3, 4 and 5 I have already solved in the board, and you need to solve in your HW copy. Please submit your HW in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.